Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Lego Peely. So let's get in there and start at the top around here. Let's draw the top of the banana head. So kind of like a bit of a rounded square right in the center there. Just going to go in there, just draw a line, and then let's just do like a rounded kind of square like that. Okay, cool. Just going to come down from the top area at the top left, just down a bit like that. And then from this side here, just at the bottom, just kind of come down a little bit of a curve like that. Okay, let's just leave a gap at the moment, and we're going to come down, do the rest of the Peely body. So come down to around about here on this Lego guy. He's a bit more rounded than the usual Peely, so I'm just going to come around like that. Okay, let's just do this little gap we've made. It's a little bit of the Peely banana skin. So I'm going to do a curve from the top area here, just do a curve out, down, around, and then bring that back up, okay, and in like that. It's kind of like another little piece that's going on along here. So I'm just going to draw up from this area, just up like that, sort of like this corner, bring that in here and up like that, okay. His arm's going to be here, so what I'm going to do is just draw a little sort of bit of a curve there where his arm would be, and then what we can do is just go from that point up, come in, and then work out there. It's got like the end of this banana peel area, just a little line there, and then we'll just join that up. Same sort of thing here. There's kind of like a bit of where the skin goes, so it's going to do 3D effect there. And then just kind of work out sort of he's like a squarish because he's a Lego figure. So just from here, I'm just going to bring that up here and up to there. Great, okay, cool. Let's get in there, just do the body part first of all. So kind of like just put a little point there, maybe there. That's where sort of the body area tapers out. So I'm just going to do a bit of a line there, a bit of a line there, then just taper that up to kind of like about here. Do the same on this side, so we'll taper up to just before that curve that we made, like that. Then it kind of tapers in again. So just a bit of a line there and a line there. And then we're just going to match that up just here and here. Okay. Then we've got his legs. So there's classic sort of Lego legs. 2 lines down here from the center, like that. Just join that up. And then what we'll do is a bit of a curve this side, so just do a little bit of a curve there, and then same thing here, a bit of a curve like that. Join these up to that rectangle area we made, like that, and then we're just going to come do a leg, which is a line down like that, and then a line down there. Then we're just going to do a square out like so, down, and a bit like that, down like that. Just sort of join up. It's a sort of a little bit sort of 3D. Just going to join those bits up there. Okay, and then just join that up, that point there. This leg's a bit further back here, so I'm just going to bring it out like that. Line down there, join it up. Then we're going to do another line out where it's like his foot goes. And we're just going to sort of do a couple of rectangles like that. Again, it's a bit 3D, so we're just going to just join up at the back here, one line up and then one line up like that. Okay, just maybe a secondary line in here too, like that. Okay, cool, great. All right, next up, let's pop this arm in. So Lego arms are sort of curved, sort of come out and down. So I'm just going to go draw a little sort of taper like that, bring it down, and then straight. Okay, this side here, same thing, straight up and then there to join. Just going to do a little semicircle area there, just to sort of show there's a bend in the arm. Then we're just going to do a little curve at the end where his wrist is there. Okay, let's do one on the other side. So again, we're just going to do a little curve out like that, bring his arm out here, like that, and then sort of kind of like straight down there. Join that up with a curve, and then a little curve in there, just again to show it's like a bit of a Lego arm. Okay, cool. Next up, 2 lines just in here where his Lego hand goes. So line there, and a line there, and a line there. Then what we're going to do, it's like a C shape for his hand. So I'm just going to do a C like that around. Then I'm just going to curve it around, up and around like that. Okay, cool. Make it a little bit 3D. So from this point here down to here, I'm just going to bring it out. Same on this side, just going to bring it around there. And then I'm just going to join it up with a nice little curve on the side. Okay. This side, same sort of thing. So it's a bit like a curvy C again. Just gonna draw C around like that, okay? And then just gonna do a curve and a curve. So this one's a bit more straight on, and join it up there, and then just a little bit on that side there, just to say that kind of 3D effect. Okay. Right, let's pop the eyes in. Nice bit here now. So around about sort of here. Those peely eyes, so sort of elongated circle. So put one in like that, then on the other side here, put one in like that. Okay, 2 little circles inside because he's got his whites of his eyes. So 2 little pops of white there. Let's just colour that in. And this side here. Colour that in. Starting to look like peely now. Alright, cool. Next up, sort of an eyebrow. It's got sort of questioning eyebrow, so it's just a little curve up like that. And the same on the other side here. It's just like a little curve like that. Give him a little smirky smile just off centre. So in there, about here, just like a little curvy little smile like that. Okay. Just going to pop in a little line here. Just a little bit of detail like that. Cool, okay, let's get in there and do some colours now. So, let's get the nice banana yellow that we've got, and let's colour that in. So, I'm just going to leave a couple of little areas of white, sort of this side here and there. So, first of all, I'm just going to work up this way. And the line there, the part here, we can colour that in. That's all fine. Then, that's kind of like that is coloured in. Stop there. Just going to leave a little bit there. Come round here, leave a bit there. So I'm just going to curve around like that. Okay, so the rest of this sort of central banana bit, the main body, is yellow. So we can just go colour that in. Then a bit of white popping on the arm here, so I'm just going to curve around here. The rest of it can be that banana yellow, and actually his hands can be as well. So just colour that in. And then this side, again, a little bit of a sort of curve around there. The rest of it can be banana yellow. That there. Body can be yellow too, so just get in there, colour that in. Same on here. And then just a little bit of light on that side. The rest of his legs areas the same. Colour those in. Alright, next up, I'm going to get a darker brown colour. I'm just going to colour in sort of around his head there. I'm just going to again leave a little bit of white on the edge, just so that can be sort of darker brown to the end of the banana. Then we've got sort of going in here, we've got like his little peely colour markings. It's like a diamond shaped square, so just going to pop that in, colour that in over there. Same here, just going to do a little diamond shape, colour that in. And then kind of got like a little bit here, colour in. This part a little bit darker, just there, and then we'll just do the same little shape in there too. Alright, then I'm just going to get a bit of a deeper yellowy colour, and then we'll just put a bit of shading on this character here, just on the edges on this side, to give him a bit of depth. Sort of colour in the arms and the inner areas there, just up there, just kind of show it's like plastic. Just a couple of lines in, it's pretty cool. And around here, just colour this area in here. And that kind of goes onto that side and just continues up where the line is. I'll just get the finer points in this pen here. Just colour that in. Just go over a little bit like that. That kind of works up to here. And colour this area. Get a bit of shading there. Maybe just a little bit shading there as well. Just a bit around there. And the lower parts of his legs, where it rounds around, just pop that in, sort of fill it in there. And just a little bit down there. Number two, then maybe just in the arm, hands area around here. So, alright. Finally, one more. It's like a bit of a kind of grey colour. Just going to emphasise just the deeper areas where it's more shaded. Just in there. Just in that area there. Maybe just the line where it goes up. And there's a tiny little bit more just here. Alright, there we have it. Okay. Maybe just pop so slightly there. Just give a bit more of that three-dimensional look. Yeah, cool. Okay, and that's it. Let's get the pen out. That is Lego Peely on Art Drawer. Thanks for watching, everybody.